Hello guys, welcome to Jimmy White TV and good evening from London. Uh, I want to say thank you to all of you that have been commenting, liking this video and sharing this video. I will always say thank you to you guys because you guys are grateful. You guys have been supportive to this channel and I want you to keep sharing, keep commenting, and I promise you guys that I will respond to every comment, and I've been responding. If you check your comment, you're going to see each comment. I respond to every comment. And if I've not responded to your comment, I am coming to respond to your comment. Today, I have come to react to a video that I saw, and that video really moved me. It was really interesting, and you guys know what has been happening on social media for some time between Lemon and the wife. It has been a kind of tug of war. Things have been going on between Joy and Mary. They have been fighting, quarreling, and many of us here have been really settling this battle between the two wives. But along the line, peace came, and the peace came when Lemon stood like a man. He stood like a man and started talking to the two wives and telling them, listen, this is the time for us to be committed and begin to love ourselves. And along the line, everything was settled and he decided to take them out to Dubai. He said for the honeymoon they have not had for a long time. This is the time for them to have the honeymoon, and he is so happy concerning everything. But I see that so many people, after this thing has done, so many people were reacting, they were not believing it. People were saying a lot of things. People were saying that this is a kind of a trap for Mary, that Mary should be careful. And so many people were not happy because Mary gave in by accepting Joy as a second wife. Well, I want to say something. Every woman is not the same thing. You guys know quite well that Mary is an orphan, and like she said, she's a little girl and she's still young, and she never wanted anybody to go. All she wanted was peace. All she wanted was just for that peace to reign so that she can be with the husband. If that will make the husband happy, she's not worried about it. But what she wanted was that Joy should stop making trouble in the house. And along the line, you can see that both she and Joy were together. They started cooking, they started laughing, they were even dancing. But still, people were seeing reacting. People were even angry with Mary. I want to tell you that Mary have carried on. Mary have carried on with her life, and you can see what she's doing. You need to see what Mary is doing on here. Mary has come, and we didn't even know that Mary is so talented, that she got a lot of talent, that she uses. She can do a lot of things. I need you guys to watch this video. I need you guys to watch this video and see what Mary is doing. I want to watch this video because Mary has really come up and has brought back her spirit. And now she's really following along, making sure that things are going well. And she's now on her YouTube teaching people things to do. So if you are here, I want you to comment on this video. Tell me what you feel about this video, and I want you to tell me what you feel about Mary and Joy togetherness. Please send your comment and don't forget to share this video. Share it so that it will get to everybody. Everybody, so it will get to everybody and it will get to Lemon and the family. They will see that yes, people are really into them, that people really love them and people want to see them being happy. But I want you to see this video where Mary was doing a tremendous thing. I just want you to see it and comment, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you very much, and God bless.
Hello guys, so this is the little things I'll be using to show you guys how to do your powder yourself. So first of all, this is my face wash that I used to clean the dirt on my face for a while. And then I took my face wipes. Yeah, this is the face wipe I use it to clean my face and make sure I do not have any dirt or any stain on my face. So this is my contact, and I'll be showing you how to wear contactless without the stick. For those of you that would like to use your natural fingers to do it, so first of all, you make sure you dip your hands in the the solution. Yeah, I put my hand on the solution so my hand gets wet a little bit, and this is how I just do it myself. Yeah, I had to rotate my eye so it's gonna stay in the middle. Yeah, you can do it yourself, trust me, guys. So this one really just a stubborn in no one show, and I love this pink one that I got for myself. Damn, it is so fine. It is not really obvious that there is a contact lens in your eyeball, but trust me, it is so fine, and I like it like very, very well. Look at the way it's looking. You're perfect. So here I'm trying to put my face primer for long-lasting makeup, and this is my foundation. Oops, it dropped on my body, and I was just trying to clean it and apply it back. So here I was just blending, but trust me when I tell you camera is not doing justice to this makeup. Ah God, but I won't do makeup shade justice. It is not doing just because when I was looking at the camera at the same time I was looking at the mirror. This thing is fine mirror. Now why is it not fine the camera? So this is the contour liquid that I was using. Yeah, I just use at the corner of my faces. You see what the work is doing. Though I don't know the name to give it, but I just watch it on YouTube sometimes. So I said I should come and share with you guys. So this is the lighter shade to give me that baby look, to to make that contour everything show. And I had to put my skin tag in the my skin color in between so it doesn't get too bright. And here I was trying to blend everything together and make it go silky, but it look fine. And I swear to God, when I tell you that camera is not doing justice to this makeup, you will not believe me, because it was so fine in real life. But this is real life too. But then really, I'm me looking at myself, I'm looking in the mirror, and you was looking so fine. So here I was just blended the one on the nose, so it's give me this small pencil nose, and I was trying to do my cheek so everything is gonna rhyme, and just fine face. Let me just blend. But in this video it is just how to blend your powder. I am not doing the full makeup tutorial, so maybe tomorrow or another day I am going to be showing you how to use your eyeshadow. So for today it is just how to blend your powder and your foundation. So this is the contour one, the powder of the liquid one that I use. This is the powder one. I use the darker shade, and here I'm using the lighter shade for my whole face. Yeah, instead of it's not too bright. This is my skin color. You can see how it's blending well in my skin, and I just use it to make everything set, like to fill in the spot of the foundation that needs to be filled. And make sure when you're blending, you always blend down to your neck, the back of your ear, not really at the back side, just the side, you know what I'm saying. So I use the black shade the brown shade rather, and this is my setting powder, and this is the foam I use, and I use it to set my face. Like I said, this tutorial is only for foundation and powder. Oh God, I know Sabi English now your mate. You shall understand what I'm talking about with me. I know Sabi all this, but this is just how to cake your face to make it look good, how to bake your face and make it blah blah blah. So at some point you leave it for like 1 or 2 minutes before dusting. Though I cannot stay to let you see how long I waited. So this is just a short video to show you how to do your powder. So for those of you that have makeup and you do not want to go to makeup party, you just want to do something simple on your face, this is how to do your powder. Just calm down. Trust me. This is my I don't have blushing so I just use my eyeshadow to do it on my face. So it still comes up nice because the pink is like a baby pink, and that is the pink shade that I use. So maybe next time I'm going to be showing you guys the products I use so you can get it, because trust me, the products are actually nice. Though it's not this expensive product. Though me at the end time I can go find anything where I see. As long as I see it do okay for my skin, I'll go use them. So this is me dancing after putting my baby pink blush hair. So now after this is my setting spray that I got from the island recently, and I applied it on my face. I said, ooh, she rich. I said, no, now I put another one again. Yes, and I applied it on my bronzer brush so it can stick to it. You can see how instead of the bronzer to be dropping on your face like powder, it's gonna stick on it like it's melted on your skin if you apply your setting spray on your brush. So it's gonna look so fine. So this is the look it gave me, and trust me guys, it was so fine. You can see how it's shining. Anybody that come here and tap me that, oh, let's talk, please see me the shine, if I laugh, it goes to say my cheek will come out. So because I did not teach you guys how to do eyeshadow today, I just had to put mascara in my eyes so my face doesn't look all dusty and blah blah blah. So I just put mascara and I used typo lipstick after shower. The video is just for powder. I didn't draw my eyeshadow, it's just to show you guys how to do your powder. So maybe another time I'll be doing a tutorial on eyebrow and eyeshadow, but just for today, this is just normal powder just to cake your face. This is it with filter. Yeah, looking so fine. And this is a video without a filter. See guys, I tell you, camera was not doing justice to this. But anyways, thanks for watching, and this is a filter one. Thanks for watching. God bless you. I hope you guys will come to my channel to look for another one that I'll be doing. Today was all about powder. Tomorrow next another day will be about eyeshadow and your eyebrow. Thanks for watching. Please share this video, comment, let it go viral, let you go. I just want to be busy and do things myself.